What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 7am Kai, and I'm back with another banger with my boy Chris on his Ninja 636. It's the Go Fast boy right here. My boy Clyde. He's a twisty guy, and you know who back there? Slowmobile. Just kidding. That's a good friend of mine as well. He's also a good rider. We're about to go out here and have some fun today. Let's see what happens. Also, Chris needs a new exhaust, but he likes the way that sounds.
Hey, don't say no.
But this is a really unique bike. This is 2022, 21, and it's very fast. I like this bike a lot. If I knew I was gonna be a stunt boy, I would've got me one of these. It's done. It's done. You ready? Started it?
Yeah, no, good.
See, that's it.
You don't top it up like right here?
I don't know how to do that yet. I be scared it's gonna shoot out. How big is this tank, you think?
Yeah, it's pretty big. You got a lot of reserve.
Yeah.
You gotta pull your bike, level it up. Watch it go down.
Oh, hell yeah. So I've been shorting myself.
No. Hey, this honestly, like, if you don't drive right away, it just comes out the bottom of the tank.
Oh, bet.
Ah, shit, no, just leave like that, fuck it. Because this one is not as good as...
We doing a Buc-ee's run?
Huh?
A Buc-ee's run, or you want to go somewhere else?
Where?
A Buc-ee's run. Or you want to do something else?
Okay, I might have to stop real quick to clean my helmet.
To clean it, bet. I should have bought that shit, huh?
You got your helmet cleaner?
Oh, I have a glass thing that's really good for it.
Oh no, you can't, don't use that shit. Don't use that shit. You see right here, it's already smeared on your shit. It's not making visors.
Oh, bet.
What's it called?
You used it on yours?
Liar. You think them psycho.
Hey, listen. But do y'all notice one thing out of everybody's bike? Do you notice anything? No. This motherfucker didn't get to clean his fucking bike like everybody else.
You
know what I'm saying? You could have had a clean bike. What happened? Huh?
You never put the exhaust back on your bike?
No.
It sounds better without it.
So what are you trying to do? What are you trying to ride at? When you get these, you're gonna love these, dude. They save your bike so much. Like the damage you think I have, it could have been way worse. Pull from here.
Oh, that makes sense.
It's very sturdy.
How you get started?
I don't know how to do it.
I know you get started.
Huh? Are we going inside?
Yeah.
Am I beeping?
Yeah, you 40.
Bet. Gang in there. They can hear you.
McDonald's crew.
Don't be gang banging on my YouTube.
That's McDonald's. Big Mac Club.
You mind carrying my juice inside your bag?
I'm a McMillionaire. Yeah, if you want me to carry that.
Because I don't have a bag.
Okay.
Kids grab box, $10. I don't know. I know. Thank you. What are you drinking on this ride? Sorry about that. Sorry, man. I got the door. I got you. Wait, no more mango? No more mango? Oh,
that's
I know the mango one, right? Yeah. I left my phone outside.
I got you, bro.
But I got you back next time.
I'm gonna get my GoPro, bro. Everybody got the GoPro going.
Where's your GoPro at? Why? What content? Oh.
We got this for that, though?
I have a chin mount, but you gotta order your one for your helmet so it fits better.
Yeah, you just type in the type of helmet it is, and then they put it up. It's one of those things where you do time.
That's how I look if I worked out. He's hella in shape. What happened?
Fuck your license plate.
Huh?
Fuck your license plate. That's what it did to me.
My license plate? There's a lot going on here right now. Is it recording? Yeah, I seen it. It's crazy. She'll be in there. She'll be in there.
What's my thread though?
No, she's not bad. It's just that I don't know what that was for. I'm the only Yamaha. I feel out of place.
So I'll go RC.
Fair enough.
You gotta, but it's about the 09 though.
Oh, bet. everybody too when I do my thing. I hit this.
Oh yeah, go to it.
It scared the out of me. I was in 5th gear and it just cut off. I'm like, whoa. But when I pointed, I probably slapped it. That shit. I'm like, yeah, it just killed. Like, but I know I hit it and it's. I didn't know it did that. I thought it just.
Same thing under key, I'm pretty sure.
Really?
Don't do it up.
What?
Come on, you ain't doing no speeding shit, bro. You was the first one gone.
I said that? My bad. We ain't going faster. We can go faster, man. I don't know. Actually. What?
I was doing 120.
Oh shit!
And I could not catch you.
Sorry.
Holy shit, we gonna go that fast.
Sorry.